All right, before we check in with Jess, let's check in with you. Take a listen. I love that. It's the sights and sounds of spring in Farmingdale, where peepers and geese are kind of competing to see who's louder. Thanks to Lori for sharing this video with us. Remember, you can always send us your photos and videos using the Near Me section of our News Center Maine app.
It's spring.
That's very zen-like.
Yeah, that's nice.
I actually don't mind the competition between the birds and the peepers.
Yeah, they're nice there.
When we stand out on our front porch, you know, we can hear them kind of at sunset, and that's I love that sound.
Yeah, I can hear them too. I love
Are they gonna be scared off by any of the snow coming up to the north part of Maine?
Yeah, you know, it's Maine. It's the end of April.
Yeah.
Sometimes this happens, and it's gonna happen for some of us. You know, northern Maine going to see a little bit of accumulation. It's pretty typical stuff, though, but I don't know. Do we ever look forward to snow at the end of April? I don't know. I'm over it. You know how much I love snow, but I'm over it at this point, right? Let's move on to the peepers. All right, we have some rain right now falling. We'll zoom in a little bit so you can see some showers around for sure. Some heavy stuff, though, moves in as we go through the overnight hours tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Well, actually, it looks like get a little bit of a break from the rain tomorrow, kind of late morning, early afternoon before more rain moves in. And then eventually we're really going to start to change over to snow as we get into tomorrow night. Some of us, again, we'll get to that in a second. 47 in Portland, most of us right now in the mid to upper 40s, depending on where you are. Augusta's at 47 as well. Bangor at 46. So we're all kind of around the same temperature so far. But again, that'll change as we go into tomorrow night. So as we go through the overnight hours and into early tomorrow morning again, that rain moves through. Here's a little bit of a break, kind of late tomorrow morning into the early afternoon hours or so. We'll see that little bit of a break. Then what's going to happen is low pressure is kind of going to form right about here. The winds around a low pressure system kind of move in a counterclockwise direction. That's going to pull some really cold air in, and you can see what's happening there. Some of us are going to change over to snow once we get into tomorrow evening and then into the overnight hours, Wednesday into early Thursday. So get ready. If you're in northern Maine, the mountains, even parts of eastern Maine, that's where we'll see, again, most of us changing over to snow. Look at it. This is 7 o'clock on Thursday morning. So again, it's that Wednesday night into Thursday time period that we'll start to see the snow move into the area. As we go throughout the day on Thursday, still some snow showers around. Closer to the coast, things will be a little bit warmer there, so we'll change over to rain. But Thursday and even into the day on Friday, still some snow hanging on. There's a low pressure system there again, those winds coming out of the north. That's where all the cold air is, of course. Eventually, by the start of the weekend, we should get at least some sunshine in for Saturday. Sunday looks fantastic, so if you can kind of make it till there, we'll see plenty of sun. You can see nice clear skies out there for the second half of the weekend. Things looking pretty good, but we're showing a snowfall map at the end of April, but we have to. We'll see a couple inches into northern Maine. Again, the mountains seeing a couple to a few inches as well. Bangor, eastern Maine, maybe a few wet snowflakes mixing in or so, but that's really going to do it. I don't know. It happens so often at the end of April, but you know, we're dealing with it again this year. Seas around 2 to 3 feet for tomorrow. Winds will be from the northwest at around 5 to 15, gusting to around 20 or so tomorrow afternoon. So some showers tomorrow morning. Again, a little bit of a break, kind of late morning tomorrow, potentially into the early afternoon. Then more showers eventually Wednesday night into Thursday. That's when we'll start to see that snow move into northern Maine, parts of eastern Maine, and the mountains too. More showers around for Thursday. It's going to get a little bit breezy too. Now in far southern Maine, we could see some peaks of sunshine for Thursday and Friday. Overall, just kind of an unsettled pattern. Again, first half of the weekend looks okay. We will have some clouds around. Second half of the weekend though, fantastic. 10 out of 10 on Sunday. We'll see 60. We'll see more sunshine. Things are looking pretty good for then. But we got a few days to go in between now and then.
And then I'm banishing the snow shovel
Perfect.
to the basement.
Let's put it away.
Thanks, Jess.
Thanks.